everyone, welcome back to the show. We are now continuing in Hesston with our friends from Wichita Homeworks, of course, with the president, Nate. Nate, thanks for being with us today.
You bet. Thanks for making the trip up here.
Definitely. It was definitely worth it. Avery was here a few months ago at the beginning of this project. Today you brought a friend with you who's played a pivotal role in helping this kind of go along.
Yeah, so we have Keith Thompson here with us. He is one of our project managers. Wichita Homeworks definitely relies heavily on our project managers like Keith to take the project from contract signing to completion. So, you know, they're a part of the customer's life almost every day that the project's going on. They become part of the family.
Yeah, exactly. That's perfect. And like I said, Avery was here just a couple of months ago, and this transformation has been incredible. Keith, tell us kind of about what you guys did here.
Sure. So at this location, we went back to the drywall and to the studs in many areas, but we expanded a master bathroom into a hall bath and made a walk-in shower, redid the entire kitchen, all new flooring, all new trim, new doors, new pantry behind us here, new fireplace and mantle, custom cabinetry in the office with a new desk. Just did a lot of custom work in this house.
Yeah, you guys kind of think of everything as well, moving a few walls here and there as needed, as well as the design aspect of it too.
Yeah, that's really where our designers come in handy for us. So they pick this project apart before someone like Keith even gets it. But we've also seen in other projects where, you know, Keith and our project managers, they'll see something while we're in the middle of it, and we can make changes as we go also.
Yeah, and the entire first floor here has been completely renovated. Nate, how important is it to have someone like Keith be here and be able to walk people through, the homeowners through all of these changes?
You know, that's really one of the biggest differences between us and others is we really focus on that customer experience. So we get into a project like this, we know it's going to be chaotic for a little bit. We're literally tearing their house apart and putting it back. But along the way, it's important for us to have one point of contact that everything goes through. So everything from the field and the actual job site flows through our project managers to the customer. And then it also gives the customer that single point of contact when there's an issue that arises or if they have questions on certain things. But also our project managers do a really good job of trying to keep them up to date on next steps, what they're seeing, and what they can expect next.
Yeah, very, very important work and great work that you guys do. If people want any more information about you guys, how can they find that?
Yeah, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
All right, sounds good. Thanks for being with me today, guys.
You bet, thank you.
Yeah, we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.